Hey everyone. Sorry for the delay. It's been a couple of months, I know. Yeah, a lot of things have happened, and I just wanted to give you a quick update as to where I am and what I've been up to. So, currently, right now, I am in Paris, France, in a different situation than what I really intended when I last posted on here. So yeah, let me kind of like reverse back because I am here in Catania, Sicily. What do you think?
Ça, c'est l'alcool.
Things are not always in your control, and no matter how much you plan for your future, sometimes life just gives you signs of where you need to be. I was traveling, I was working remotely. There was a layoff in my company, and I was let go while I was in Spain, and I was leaving for Paris the following day. And everything worked out for me. Like everything worked out. It was almost like this was intended. I had a really gracious friend offering me a free place to stay. I had a wonderful support system here, and I was immediately going and getting interviews like the following week. And it seemed too good to be true. Now, fast forward, 4 months now? Almost 5 months. I am taking my time to seeing what is the best option for me. I've been kind of going in between whether or not I want to start my own business and interviewing with companies that I really enjoy working with and trying to understand this lifestyle that I want. I'm in a very fortunate place, all things considered, that I've had this time to really think about what it is I want in life. So, it was an unfortunate event that happened with the layoff. Definitely shocking to me, but I wouldn't be in Paris right now. I wouldn't be, where I am. And so it was a blessing in disguise for sure. And kind of excited about where I'm going next. What's to come is that now I've had the opportunity to talk with some actual expats who have done some amazing things. And just like me, not everybody's life is a clear path. And through that, they have found some amazing opportunities through unfortunate events. So if you are watching this here today and you are in this period of the unknown, right? Just know that soon you're going to get out of it. If you're in the same position, just kind of take a step back, allow the world to tell you where you need to be. Take some time to meditate and really think about what you are seeking in this world. And this has helped me through these past couple of months to really be retrospective about what I love to do the most and the kind of lifestyle that I need and I crave. That's it. This is a really quick update. I just wanted to let you guys know I'm alive, I'm well, I'm healthy, and that's what's most important. So thank you all for tuning in here today. Feel free to comment below with questions or any similar stories that you may have that you'd like to share. Stay tuned because now I am getting into the groove of talking to some more people here in France about their stories. So you'll be seeing that very soon here. So thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.